Well, the snow's here and we're already dealing with first world problems. One was the water to the cows and the other is our hot tub. So for the cows, we have to take water from the house by hose over to the cows. So it starts down there in that basement window hooked up to the laundry, and then we have to take it all the way over there to the cows. Not fun at all. We wanted to put in the water system this year for the animals, but we didn't get around to it. We were too busy with the wedding. Now our other situation is the hot tub. So like I said, first world problems. Our hot tub won't start right now because the water in it's too cold. We left it too long to get the hot tub going, and now we got to warm up the water before it will actually turn on and continue to heat up the water. So it's a problem for us. However, we do realize there are a lot more other people struggling to get stuff done. Especially check out our friends over at Creekside Maples. Go give them a like, a subscribe, go follow some of their videos. They're working on building their own homestead from scratch right now, and winter is just starting. They've been digging the footings for their house and trying to get that done before the snow really falls. So go check them out as well. So let's see what we can do to get this hot tub going. Our starter, or our buttons right here. We turn on the fuse box, I guess it is, junction box, and then we hit heat, program it for the temperature we want. But when we do that, again, the temperature of the water is not hot enough to get the entire thing going. It won't start heating until the water is actually above a certain temperature. So right now we're kind of stuck trying to figure out how to get it above the temperature before we actually have to empty the water and prevent the whole thing from freezing and breaking. So let's get going. Come on, baby. Come on. One way or another. So we got the propane torch, we got the propane heater, we got a bunch of water transferred there. So I think what I'll do is I'll let this boil, put it in, put some more in the pot, let it boil again, transfer it back, and we'll see if that's going to work. I've also debated taking the cow heater from their water trough and stick it in the hot tub for a bit too. It might come to that. One of the things about the hot tub too is if it doesn't get some sort of current going or has some sort of jet or something to mix the water, all the hot water comes up to the top and all the cold water goes down to the bottom. So sometimes if the circulation isn't going, you get in and the top's hot and the bottom's cold. No fun at all. It doesn't happen with our new system, which is electric, but it used to happen when we did the wood fire stove inside the hot tub. So I've been going for a bit now with the propane torch. Doesn't seem to be working because I just turned on the heater, well, just turned on the system, and it came back as error, which basically means it's too cold still. So we're gonna keep going with the pot, see if we can get this working. So the one thing the hot tub does for us is it allows us to take time for ourselves. We both work a lot. We have to do a lot of chores. We're usually running around too, doing hockey and all that with the boys. So what the hot tub does is it kind of forces us to take time for ourselves. We're able to sit there with no other distractions and just have a good chat, make plans, talk about how our day's been and that sort of thing. Also, I did a video a while ago about the difference between having a wood-fired hot tub, the stove submerged into the hot tub, and then run a fire in it, versus what we do now is the electric. So check out the video, I'll link it up here or up here, wherever it may be. If you're thinking about getting a hot tub or planning on having a hot tub, kind of gives you the benefits of both and the the disadvantages of both. One of the other things we started doing earlier today was bring the hose from the laundry tub or from the washing machine over here and run hot water into it. But we still have only like a small hot water heater, so we don't have that much water to put into there. It's a problem that we gotta fix going forward too, getting in a family size water heater. Oh well. I went to snowplow the driveway, snowblow the driveway too today, and one of the problems is we got 6 inches of snow, but underneath the ground is not frozen yet. So when you're trying to snowblow, you're actually picking up dirt and sand and grass and everything else, and it's going through the snowblower. And if you catch any of those big rocks, well, you're gonna break your shear pan, you might break something else. So right now we're gonna have to wait to blow this snow till after the ground itself actually freezes, which is going to cause a lot of problems for the car trying to get through it. So we might be relying on the truck for a bit. So guys, there's just a few of our first world problems. And like I said, there's others out there who have it much harder than us. So make sure you give them some support too. But if you did like this, found it entertaining, make sure you get down there, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Be sure to leave us a comment as well, and let us know if you went over and checked out Creekside Maples. So about 5 hours later, I'm frozen. My boots are frozen solid. Countless pots of hot water going in. We poured water on all the pipes because we figured there was frozen pipes. Finally got the hot tub working again, so it's heating up, and this weekend might be able to take a hot tub. Maybe a hot tub for my birthday. But yeah, 5 hours later, countless, pots of hot water boiled on the stove, boiled there beside the hot tub. Anyway, guys, thanks again. We'll talk to you soon.